Hi guys, it's Mama Ariana and I have another amazing recipe for you guys. We are going to make some mishkaki or tandoori chicken, or I know a lot of people have different names for this, so please let me know how you call it in your local language on the comment section. So guys, for the ingredients that we're going to use, I have some chicken here. The chicken still has its skin and I'm going to prepare it with its skin. If you like, you can remove the skin, but I am keeping mine. So you cut the chicken into cube shapes, not too big, just this size. Remember, we are going to put them in some skewers, so the shape has to be just right. And then after cutting your chicken, we are going to marinate the chicken with some cumin, some turmeric, some paprika, some salt to taste, some lemon to add more flavor, and 1 egg. So guys, if you like some chilies, you can add chilies too, and some cooking oil so that the chicken can be juicy. So guys, you massage the chicken to make sure that the marinade settles well in and everything is nicely marinated. Then we proceed to cover it with a clear film and put it in the refrigerator as we prepare other ingredients. We are going to prepare some vegetables that we are going to use. And for the vegetables, I have assorted bell peppers. Yeah, as you can see, I have some yellow, some red and green bell peppers. So guys, I wonder if these are called bell peppers or it's called paprika. Actually, people have different names. So this red one, is it called red bell pepper or paprika, or it's pretty the same thing? You can also let me know what do you think. I call them bell peppers. Yeah. And we're going to cut this into cube shapes to match the shape of the chicken that we prepared. So dice everything nicely and be putting them in different bowls to make your work easier, for neatness, for organization, and for cleanliness. Just cut them and put them aside as you wait to continue on to the next process. And guys, if you are new here, I want to take a second to welcome you. You're so much welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. It really means a lot. And I'd ask that you take a second please to subscribe if you haven't. It will go a long way. And guys, these are our skewers. I was using some wooden skewers. There are metal skewers that you can use, wash and use again, but I am using this disposable skewers. And arrange the chicken and the vegetables nicely. So I put 1 chicken and 1 vegetable, 1 chicken and another vegetable, like that. You can decide to do your own arrangement, maybe 1 chicken piece and 2 vegetables. It's entirely up to you, but you should come up with something that looks like this. Yes. Then we proceed. We heat some pan, and then we are going to brush it with some oil to prevent the chicken from sticking onto the pan. So make sure you brush your pan nicely with just enough oil, not too much, not too little. Then arrange the skewed chickens on the pan to cook. So each piece should be on the pan. Don't put other pieces over each other. So I'm going to go with 2 rounds so that they can fit perfectly on my pan. If you have a smaller pan that will make even 3, it's okay. You should have the patience to wait. And if your pan is bigger, then the better. So guys, from time to time, be turning the chicken pieces. Yeah, and this whole process should take you like 20 minutes and your chicken will be well done and well cooked. And guys, also I want to appreciate my return viewers and my subscribers. Guys, you really motivate me. Those comments, those likes, those shares, they really go a long way, and I appreciate you guys. Please keep them coming, because whenever I feel kind of tired and I remember you guys, they push me, and yeah, I continue to create something for us, for my memories. And I'm sure that there are some people who always look up to seeing a new video, and that is just what gives me joy and the motivation to keep pushing. Yeah, and guys, when they have been cooked, like these ones are now ready, I'm going to remove them and set aside in a plate. Yeah, and after that I will arrange the second round to cook. So this mishkaki can be had as a snack, or you can have it with some protein too, and maybe some vegetables too. So I prepared something with the mishkaki, and I had this for lunch. It was a pretty like a snackish thing. And that's it, guys. You can see everything is well done, well cooked. I'm telling you guys, oh no, I don't want to tell you because I want you to try this recipe out, and please let me know how yours came out in the comment section, and also let me know where you are watching from. Thank you guys if you watched till the end. Bye.